It's 10:59. It's almost time. All right, here we go. That's awesome. Come on. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Musk. Why are you refusing to stop singing? What was what? I just can't wait for 100 EAS catches. Oh, come on. What did you do now, Daily Motor? What?